Volvo XC40 comes with a ticket holder on the windshield. It is located on the left side, on the driver's side of the vehicle. So for example, if you need to put your parking pass or something else on the windshield, you won't have to glue it, because it's always a pain to remove it afterwards. You can simply put it right here and the ticket holder will hold it in place. Besides that, of course, you can insert your parking tickets in here as well, and they will be fully visible. And this is how it looks like from the outside of the vehicle. As I said, the ticket is fully visible and you do not need to glue them to the windshield. Volvo XC40 comes with a number of slots or places where you can put credit cards or business cards. We have two on the left of the steering wheel. You can easily pull them out and reinsert them back. There is one in the central console over the wireless charger. You can pull it out like this and reinsert it back in place. There is one card holder inside the glove box as well on this side. And we have two card holders inside our sun visors. Please keep in mind that some of these cards may be visible from the outside, so if you end up being parked in a bad area, for example, your car may get broken into if bad guys see some of these cards. It's a good idea to take them with you. Inside the glove box of Volvo XC40 you can find this fold-out hook. You can close the glove box and this hook can be used for groceries. So if you have just one bag, for example, this will make sure that everything will stay in one place. It won't be scattered all around the vehicle. And this hook specifically can hold up to 2 kilograms of weight. It's a very convenient feature, guys, if you have a little bit of groceries with you. Inside the glove box of the XC40 you will find this key. You can pull it out and it can be used to lock your glove box. Insert the key inside and turn clockwise. Remove the key. Now the glove box is locked. This feature is especially useful if you have your car serviced, for example, you're going to the dealership, or if you leave it with the valet. They won't be able to open the glove box. Once you're done, insert the key and turn counterclockwise. Also, guys, make sure, be careful, because if you lose this key you won't be able to unlock the glove box, lock or unlock. Insert it back in the slot and that's it. The procedure is complete. In the center console of Volvo XC40 you will find this small compartment. And I know that a lot of people don't know what it is. People try to put their phones in here, use it as a phone holder. It doesn't exactly work well like this. In reality, this is the removable ashtray. So if you smoke, you put your cigarettes in here and then you close the cover. Once it gets full, you can simply use both hands to pull it up and then you'll be able to take it out. Now you can wash it, you can clean it, and this is the part number for the ashtray in case if you guys need a replacement. It has one small clip on the bottom, and once you install it, simply push it back in and it's ready to be used again. Under the armrest, Volvo XC40 has removable waste bin. First of all, the top can be pushed inside and this is how you put the garbage in, and after it's full completely you guys can press this button on the back side and this will allow you to remove the top cover and you can easily empty the waste bin. Also in the back it has the net where you can put something small. Once you're done cleaning your waste bin, guys, simply reinstall the top cover, it snaps back in, and reinstall the waste bin in place. In Volvo XC40, underneath the front driver's seat, you will find hidden storage, which can be opened by pulling this handle, and this is how it looks, guys. It's not very big, but it's big enough to put some documents in here, or a small notepad, for example. Besides that, your phone will fit in here as well. Your phone can be pushed back, so there's a little bit more room in the back there, but as I said, it's not too big. And you can close it this way. This is how it looks, guys, and this is how you open and close it. In the back of Volvo XC40 you will find two hooks near the roof. There is one on the right side and there is one more on the left side. And also you will find smaller hooks on the B pillars, one on the right and one on the left. These can be used to hang your clothing, like your coat or your suit, like this. It's not gonna be in the way, and it can dry in case if it's raining. This is how this one works, and the idea will be similar on the other side. The hooks near the roof can be removed. You can turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. And actually, guys, we have two more slots in the back right here, so you can insert this hook, turn it. Now you can hang your coat in the back of the XC40, and this way it will be out of your way completely. And look at this, it's very conveniently positioned in the back of the vehicle. Again, if it's raining, it will go down on the mat, and same can be done on this side. We have already transferred the second hook in here, and you can have a couple of coats hanging like this. These slots in the back also can be used to attach the cargo net, which will prevent the luggage from getting inside the vehicle when you brake. But we'll try to make a separate video about this accessory. Volvo XC40 comes with a small door in the rear backrest, which can be opened like this, and it can be used to transport long items like skis. This is how it looks from the inside. This is our opening again, guys. We have seat covers, that's why we had to remove this section, but you probably won't have them, and you will be able to easily open this door. And as I said, if you have skis, this will work perfectly. The trunk floor in Volvo XC40 can fold up. You have to pull this handle up. And right here, guys, on the sides you will see openings, one on the right and one on the left. And you can insert the floor panel right here. And now first of all, it will give you more room underneath the floor. And besides that, it splits our trunk into two sections, which will help you to organize your luggage better. Besides that, we have three hooks for grocery bags, for example, and you will see a small drawing on each of the hooks. You can put your grocery bags on these hooks, and again, this is how it works. Also, guys, on the sides of the vehicle you will see two more hooks, which again can be used for your grocery bags. They work the same way. One goes right here, the other one goes on this side. And again, this will make sure that all your groceries stay inside the bags when you transport them. Also inside the trunk you will see four brackets. There is one right here, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. These can be used to secure your luggage even better. You can use the straps or you can use the net. If you transport large items, it will help you to secure them properly.